we cleared customs in Spanish town, Virgin Gorda, and we're approaching our first just sort of drive-by. This is called the Bitter End Yacht Club, and unfortunately it got pretty damaged during our Hurricane Irma about 5 years ago. They're working on rebuilding it, but a really, really pretty spot. And then a little while we get out over there at Saba Rock, where Melissa and I got engaged, so I'm looking forward to it. But no matter where you look in this part of the world, it's absolutely beautiful. So that's the boat. That's called an oxopar. Honey, you should go get in there so you can be like the boat spokesmodel. Okay, honey, you should have sold boats. All right, then look at this place. This is just amazing. We're on the north shore of Virgin Gorda, Virgin Islands, and we're going to go have brunch. And we're going to our next stop after this. So we're here at this beautiful place called Oil Nut Bay on the north tip of Virgin Gorda. And the restaurant here having a beautiful brunch. We came here on that boat we just showed you a minute ago with Stormy Pirates boat charters, which are the best in the Virgin Islands. Having a great day. Can't wait to go to our next stop, which is Saba Rock, where Melissa and I got engaged. And this is Melissa in the spinny chair. Oh, she's going over. We're on our way to the second stop, Saba Rock, which has a very good meeting with Melissa and I. Right there is an awesome view of Necker Island in the British Virgin Islands, owned by Sir Richard Branson. Very, very cool place. Now we're on our way to the next stop, just ahead of us. So babe, how excited are you for our next stop?
I am so excited.
Where are we going?
We are going to Saba Rock.
Why is that important?
Because that is the place that you visit.
That was, what, 11, 12 years ago, something like
12
that?
years ago, yeah.
So we were super excited to go to Saba Rock. They got ruined in Hurricane Irma. They've since rebuilt it. Just opened like a couple months ago. So we're excited. And there is Saba Rock. The only thing on this island is a beach. You see right there? It's got a restaurant and a little 9-room hotel. It is just one of the coolest places you'll ever go in your whole life. Can't wait. Alright, so we're coming around here to the back side of Saba Rock to get a slip. We're gonna come here for a drink. We're super excited. I think we already said that, but we're really excited. This is beautiful. There's Captain Sammy doing an awesome job. Tell me when.
All right, you're on.
All right, this is the spot where I proposed to you, honey.
I know, I'm so excited. I love it.
Would you marry me again?
In a heartbeat.
Okay, cool.
I love you.
All right, love you too. And thanks to Rich and Christy and Captain Sammy for bringing us here today. It was a special treat. Cool. And here we are coming up to a really cool little island called Sandy Spit. And you've probably seen this little island on TV because this is where they filmed a lot of the Corona commercials a few years ago. So we're going to throw the anchor down and go swim over to Sandy Spit. It's going to be really cool. pulling up to Sandy Spit, one of the coolest places you can ever go. Okay, so we're now standing on Sandy Spit. This is the Corona Island. It's like, I don't know,
Beautiful.
30,
Absolutely beautiful.
30 feet around. Can wreck around the whole island in 4 minutes. There's our boat that we came in over there. Pretty cool. Come back. And there are not many more just really cool places on Earth.
All right, sweetheart, we are back on my favorite part of the BVI's, and that is Sandy Spit.
This
It's
little-
this
go
little
ahead.
tiny island with maybe 3 palm trees on it. It's fabulous. The water is so beautiful. We love it here.
Yeah, the first time we came here, there was only 2 palm trees, but now there's 5 actually. Heard that people replenished it after the last Hurricane Irma that came through, but this is just a really, really
Beautiful.
nice.
Absolutely.
And we came here with Stormy Pirates, which is the best charter company in the U.S. Virgin Islands.
That's absolutely
Way,
right.
way cool.
I will be ready tonight.
Okay, so we are now approaching White Bay, which is on the island of Jost Van Dyke, home to the world's famous Sake Dollar Bar and a few other places. One of the prettiest beaches you'll ever see, ever. And we're gonna go in here and get a painkiller, because this is where they invented the painkiller. If you know what that is, look it up, because they're really, really yummy.
I will be ready tonight. Be ready every day. I will be ready tonight. And I know you will be ready too. You know I have my luggage packed. I have emptied every space on the shelf. Now I'm headed to the
Okay, so this is the wrap-up video for our BVI day, which was actually yesterday.
So much fun. Oh my gosh.
We had such a great day. We got home last night. We were just beat. We just crashed. But you have to come down to this part of the world. The U.S. Virgins, the British Virgins are just really some of the prettiest places on Earth. You can see from the videos and the pictures, the water is just...
It's different colors of blue and turquoise. It's absolutely gorgeous.
And you can just sit and just stare for hours. And of course,
Yeah.
a few good drinks along the way didn't hurt.
A couple painkillers.
We got painkillers. Yeah, we got to go to where we got engaged, and that was really awesome.
It was,
11 years
yeah.
ago, first time we were back since we got engaged.
Yes, absolutely.
Best decision I ever made.
And I ever made. Saying yes.
So anyway, and also, like we talked about before, you want to use Stormy Pirates boat charters when you're here. Christy and Rich run the business with their son Tyler. They are just fabulous, fabulous people. They're
They have a
running.
great crew.
Crews are great. The operation is great. We were there in the morning as the captains were doing their briefings, and as Christy and Rich were ensuring everyone got off. And they really just do a professional, a really nice job.
So remember, when you're down here in the Virgin Islands, look up Stormy Pirates.
Stormy Pirates boat charters, and they have like 10 or something scheduled trips each day. But then if you want to do something on your own, you want to go somewhere, give them a call. They'll set something just for you.